How's everybody doing today, Keto family? Matt Troyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to make keto chocolate chip muffins from scratch. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, anybody you want. You have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. This video was suggested by King Celtic. Thank you so much for your video recommendation. This is for you and everyone else around the world. And if you have a video recommendation, leave it in the comment section down below. If it's a good idea for a video, I'll make a video on it and I'll give you credit right in that video. All right, keto chocolate chip muffins. I'm gonna show you how to make these right now. All right, let's start off with the dry ingredients first. 1 cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of Lacanto powdered monk fruit sweetener, 1 tablespoon of arrowroot starch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And mix until combined. Alright, now to add the wet ingredients. 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened almond milk, and 15 drops of liquid stevia. And mix until combined. Alright, the batter has been mixed thoroughly. Now to add some chocolate chips to the mix. I'm using Lily's milk chocolate style baking chips with only 1 net carb per serving. Alright, so we got 1/4 cup. And mix it very gently into the batter. Alright, the batter's been mixed thoroughly. Now to transfer this onto a baking pan lined with baking cups. We have our baking pan here. And add the mixture into the baking cups. Hit the batter on the countertop a few times just to flatten out the batter. Time to put these into the oven. Wow, look at these chocolate chip muffins. Absolutely incredible. I'm gonna let these cool for about 30 minutes and then we're gonna have a taste test. All right, a half hour has elapsed. I can't wait to give these a try. Keto chocolate chip muffins. Look at that. They look incredible. All right, we're gonna take it out of the wrapper here. Give it a taste test. Man, these taste just like a chocolate chip muffin. Without the carbs, without the processed sugar. And those chocolate chips from Lily's, absolutely delicious, guys. Man, these chocolate chip muffins are amazing, absolutely delicious. One of my favorite recipes I've made thus far. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to check out any of the 3 recipes I will link to at the end of this video. I'm sure you'll enjoy them. Have a great day. Matt Troy signing out.